How to add new email account in PayPal. Let's see how to do it. When you log into PayPal account, you will need to click the settings gear icon in the top bar of PayPal account. And in this page, you need to click the Add button. Enter the new email account in the pop-up page. You can select this checkbox and make this email account as the primary email account in PayPal. Finally, click the Confirm button to add the PayPal account. Next, you need to confirm the PayPal account, logging in email account. And done adding new email account in PayPal account.
I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates for more videos.